All right, so a beard is a man's most important accessory, and this morning we have an article to help us discuss what our beard says about us. We'll be back with more after the break.
Oh, hold on. What you mean by it's the what you say, the most what? Accessory, what you say?
Most important accessory.
A beard? Mm-hmm. Who says so?
The script.
No, but who says so?
No, who said that? What's the most important accessory?
Not my beard.
Not your beard.
Well, no, let me say it a different way. Not my facial hair. Let me say it that way. Right. Not to me. But by the way, they said beards have been on trend for the last few years. Well, beards have been around forever, truth be told. And with styles ranging from full beards to stubble to horseshoe mustache, this trend doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Many of the world's most stylish men sport some kind of facial hair. But can everyone pull off the full beard look? I remember as a younger person, as a little boy, anytime you saw somebody with a heavy beard, you know he's a professor.
Yeah,
you know, say he's the brightest man in the world. For some reason, everybody just always have beard. To me, all of the lecturers
that's true.
Serious, they always had full, heavy Santa Claus-looking beards, and I couldn't figure out why.
Agri Brown, I remember.
Yeah, Agri,
in particular, who sported.
Yeah. The late Professor Hicklin had a beard. Almost all the academics, as a younger man, always, my brother Russell is an academic, full beard. But I kind of I shave, well, not in recent time, but I shave every single morning. If I don't, I get ingrown hair.
Oh, is it?
But because I shave every single morning, and I shave, I don't like
the ads.
No, I mean, not like
one glide.
No, man. So every now and again, my face just gets very, very sore. So every single year for about 2 or 3 weeks, I just don't shave. Just because.
Which is what's going on now?
No.
Oh, because I think I lost a bet, right?
I lost a bet, which is why I have this. But it's coming at me earring. Sometimes I don't even know I have beard till somebody said to me, and somebody said, "Oh, you have a earring." I really don't. I don't look at myself like that and say, "Oh, my beard look nice. I will keep it," or "It don't look nice. I will take it off."
But beards have been making a comeback, as they were saying here in the opening, because I think of like James Harden, the NBA player, right? And have you ever seen him without his beard?
No.